Welcome back, students, for Unit 2. Let's show you a couple things again, how we can use Desmos to get you through some of the stickier points of Unit 2. So you're going to be asked to be solved multi-step equations. And again, it's good to know exactly how this works. Distributing the 3 through the x and through the negative 10 would make 2x plus 3x minus 30. 2x's and 3x's make 5x's. 3 minus 10 makes negative 30. You would add the 30 to both sides, divide by 5, and you would get your answer. It's good to know how this works. But again, we can do a double check on Desmos. We put y equals the left side of the equation, which is 2x plus 3 parenthesis x minus 10. And we're going to get the graph of a line. Below that, we'll do another y equals for the right side of the equation, which is 45. Now we'll have to scroll because I'm not seeing where that blue line is. There it is. You find where they intersect, and you get that x is 15, and that would be your answer. Again, the other version of Desmos, you could just punch this right in. You'll get a straight line at 15. But remember, for the state test, that's disabled. This is the way you're going to have to check your work on Desmos for that. Now, what's nice is when you start doing the inequalities, those will go in exactly as you see them. So we'll get rid of this. Just hit the little home button to take you back to your normal window. These you can type in just like you see. So we're going to type in 10x plus 16. And then we have the greater than or equal to button right here. And we'll do the 6x plus 20. And since it's an inequality, it's going to shade the right way. Now, solid lines refer to the equals to. If it was just I'll just show you this, greater than, a greater than symbol, notice how the greater than without the equals turns it to a dashed line. So just notice those differences that Desmos will do for you. However, what we see here is the answer is 1. Now, I see two choices here for 1. X less than equal to 1, x greater than equal to 1. How would I know which is the correct response? Well, again, as you look on the graph, the shaded region is where the solutions live. So these are the numbers, 2, 3, 5, 10. These are the numbers that are bigger than 1, not these. So you would pick choice C because that's the solutions that are bigger than 1. So hopefully that little trick will help you through Unit 2.